A petrol engine, also known as a gasoline engine, is an internal combustion engine that uses gasoline, petrol, as its fuel. The basic principle of its operation is the conversion of chemical energy, from the fuel, into mechanical energy through a series of combustion events. Here's a simplified overview of how a 4-stroke petrol engine works. 4-stroke cycle. Most modern petrol engines use a 4-stroke cycle. Each stroke represents a phase of the engine's operation. The 4 strokes are: intake stroke. 1. The intake valve opens. 2. The piston moves downward, creating a vacuum. 3. This draws in a mixture of air and fuel from the carburetor or fuel injector into the cylinder. Compression stroke. 1. Both the intake and exhaust valves are closed. 2. The piston moves upward, compressing the air-fuel mixture. 3. This compression makes the subsequent explosion more powerful. Power, combustion, stroke. 1. Just before the piston reaches the top of its upward motion, top dead center, the spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture. 2. The explosion forces the piston downward, providing power to the crankshaft and subsequently to the vehicle's wheels. Exhaust stroke. 1. The exhaust valve opens. 2. The piston moves upward again, pushing out the burned gases, exhaust, from the cylinder and out of the engine via the exhaust system. Main components. 1. Cylinder. A cylindrical chamber in which the piston moves up and down. 2. Piston. A cylindrical component that moves up and down inside the cylinder due to the pressure created by the combustion of the air-fuel mixture. 3. Valves. Typically, each cylinder has at least 2 valves. One for intake, lets air and fuel in, and one for exhaust, lets burned gases out. 4. Spark plug. Ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. 5. Crankshaft. Converts the up and down motion of the pistons into rotational motion to drive the wheels. 6. Camshaft. Controls the opening and closing of the valves. 7. Timing belt, chain. Ensures the synchronized movement of the crankshaft and camshaft. How it works. Air-fuel mixture. Air is mixed with gasoline either by a carburetor in older engines or by fuel injectors in modern engines. Compression. The air-fuel mixture is compressed inside the cylinder by the upward motion of the piston, making it highly flammable. Ignition. The spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture, causing an explosion. Combustion. The explosion forces the piston down, turning the crankshaft. Exhaust. After combustion, the burnt gases are expelled from the cylinder through the exhaust valve during the exhaust stroke. Conversion to rotary motion. The linear motion of the pistons is converted into rotary motion by the crankshaft. This rotary motion is then used to drive the vehicle's wheels. This cycle repeats several times per second, allowing the engine to produce continuous power. Over time, engines have evolved to be more efficient, cleaner, and more powerful, but the basic operation remains the same.